Ready to supercharge your website with the power of Zillow and Trulia listings. First, consider which approach suits your needs best. You can embed widgets for a quick and easy setup or leverage APIs for a more customized integration. Widgets are ideal for displaying featured listings or search bars, offering a simplified user experience. For API integration, sign up for developer access on both Zillow and Trulia. You'll receive API keys, essential for authenticating your requests. Keep these keys secure. Next, access your website's HTML editor or use a plugin designed for embedding external content. If using widgets, simply copy and paste the provided HTML code into your desired page location. With APIs, you'll use the provided endpoints to fetch property data, then format and display this information on your site using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Remember to comply with Zillow and Trulia's terms of service, including proper attribution and data usage guidelines. Finally, test your integration thoroughly. Ensure listings are accurate, links are functioning, and the overall experience is seamless for your users, opening up a world of real estate possibilities right on your site.